for students on how to complete an assignment and then submit it in Canvas when the external tool is the function the teacher has used to post the assignment. So the way that the external tool works is a teacher has created an assignment, and it will look like this on the Canvas page for the student, where it's embedded in the actual Canvas platform. So students will be able to open this assignment, and when they hit the open button here, that will actually automatically make a copy in their Canvas, but also it will save a copy in their Office 365, which it's already done. As you can see right here, it has my name and then the assignment. So it's made a copy of this assignment and saved it in my Office 365. But in order for me to actually edit this and put my own information so I can complete the assignment, I can do that right here by selecting Edit Document, and I can do that either in the browser, which would be staying online in Office 365, or I can edit it in the desktop app. Because I want to use my stylus, I'm going to use the Edit in Desktop app. The other option is you can select Open, and when you open it, it will automatically open in the Edit Browser screen, but it will still allow you to choose Edit in the Desktop. So I'm just going to go ahead and say Edit in the Desktop. So I want to open Word. And what it's doing is it is accessing this file from my Office 365 as the student, and it's going to allow me to edit using my stylus because I'm using the Word application that is on my device and not the one that's in the cloud. This takes a few minutes. All right, now that I have entered into my Word document, you can see that the autosave is on, so I don't actually have to do anything to make this to have this file save as I make changes. It will automatically do that. It's saving it to my cloud Office 365 account as the student. So I want to go ahead and select Draw because I want to use my stylus, and I might want to highlight some information, or I will want to circle some questions I might have, whatever you need to do for your for the file. Now that I've made these changes, as you can see, it's saving right here. It's doing it automatically for me. If you're concerned about it, you can hit the Save button, but I'm just going to go ahead and wait for it to save, and then I can make any other changes that I want to from here. If I close this file, it will make it will save any of the changes. We'll go ahead and speed up this process. I'm going to go ahead and save it myself, and as you can see, it says saved here. I can go ahead and close to your Canvas page where your assignment is, and in order to see what I've actually edited, because it's still asking me if I want to edit somewhere else, I just go ahead and select the refresh button, and when you do, it's going to refresh everything, including the file that I've edited, so you'll be able to see the edits that I've made. So you can make sure that it saved everything that you wanted it to save, and I can verify that it has because I can see my changes on here. So I'm ready to submit. So all I need to do now is click on the Submit button. And what's great about this is I'm not having to find a share button, share the URL, make sure it's the right URL, copy and paste it. And then it's also easier for my teacher to access and grade my assignment. So this is a much faster way of doing things. I just click on the Submit, and now you will see that it says that I have finished this assignment, and it gives me a date and time stamp, which is great. So I know that it has been submitted and when it was submitted. And I'm ready to move on. Thanks for watching, and hope this has been helpful.